Welcome to Biology Made Easy. Today we are looking at DNA overview. We are looking at the gene, genetic code, and the genome. Welcome. The gene is a sequence of bases that carries genetic information that determines the formation of a polypeptide. So that is the gene, a sequence of bases that carries the genetic information to determine the formation of a polypeptide. And a polypeptide is a chain of amino acids. So if this is a polypeptide, then this polypeptide is coded for by a gene. Good. Now, we want to leave it at that and look at the genetic code. The genetic code is sequence of bases. So you have 1, 2, 3. It's a sequence of base that determines the inclusion of an amino acid in a polypeptide. So if this amino acid is included in a polypeptide, it's because of a genetic code. And the genetic code is 3 bases. 3 nitrogenous bases determines the inclusion of an amino acid in a polypeptide. The genetic code triplet, 3 bases. So it's a triplet code. 3 bases determines the inclusion. So you have 1, 2, 3 bases, 1 amino acid, 3 bases, 1 amino acid into a polypeptide. And it's been found that there are 3 base pairs in human genome. And it's only 3% of these base pairs that form protein. So a greater part of the triplets do not code for any amino acid. They code to start the beginning of a polypeptide, the end of a polypeptide. If it's a polypeptide, there must have been a code here, 3 bases that gives information to start to make this polypeptide. And there must have been 3 bases, a genetic code that says stop the formation of the polypeptide, and other triplets that do so many other things. 1 amino acid can be coded by almost 3 same bases. We are going to look at the genetic code again as a topic. Right? Now, so let us hold it here and look at the genome. What is a genome? The genome is simply all the base pairs that are found in all the DNAs of an organism. All the base pairs. And as we said, there are about 3 times 10 raised to the power 9 base pairs in a human genome. All right? And all the base pairs. And it's been found that there are between 20,000 to 22,000 genes in the human genome. Well, in our next lesson, we will look into detail how the DNA structure is, and then we will look at other topics and we'll look at the genetic code in detail again, plus other topics. So we Meet in our next lesson. Thank you very much. Goodbye.